Before I forget to just mention, my goals are something that I'm trying to make achievements. I'm tired of dying now, life ain't nothing but pain.
What's going on, y'all? It's your only host, BC995WCE Radio. Up next, man, we got a Glock Jones, bro. Glock Jones with Dada. Never even heard of Glock Jones before. But let's go ahead and get to it, man. Glock Jones with Dada.
Glock Jones, a real nigga, what?
I like the beginning of this beat, though. That tune is... I'm trying to figure out where that tune came from.
Glock Jones, a real nigga.
Sounds gonna be a West Coast beat.
Fuck all that shit we bustin'. Them niggas duckin'.
Nope.
Coming out the cut, dropping 100. We send that thunder. What you ain't know? Hop out the car, them niggas getting low. Ain't for key, I get it so. You niggas never broke a low. We do this shit on industry. Don't let these niggas get to me. Got hollows for my enemies. The AIP, my mini-me. I'm swerving on the interstate. This UUV a getaway. We do this shit on any day. Ain't like you niggas anyway. Glock Jones thuggin'. You ain't know I got a big gun. We're around town. Purple boys gon' shake something. Copycat moving too fast. Might break something. My nigga, he don't hustle. All that nigga know it takes. Fuck what you heard, I tell it like it is. They know how we get down. I ain't even perfect, but they say I run my city now. And I ain't even perfect in my pocket like a couple thousand. Goofy nigga loafing, he ain't running till he heard that bow. Now we on your ass, we got on key so we can run you down. My forces start fast, soon as we hit them niggas hit the ground. If a stick up with a loot, nobody move, everybody on the ground. Interrogation room and well trained, I don't make a sign. Brown skin, bitch, slim, thick, look like Foxy Brown. I'ma hit the pat with a left like I'm James Harden. High fly, jumping out the whip like I'm Jeff Harden. Fuck it, I'm gon' thug it with my son, shout out Lil Ma. You like it, I love it, y'all nigga whipping that butter. Ride in the whip with that cutter. I see the law in the bubble. I pass the rock, I don't double. His ass get hit, he gon' fumble. Too many shots, ain't no number. I shoot for real, ain't no jumper. I'm hopping, then we gon' jump. Yeah, for my brothers, I love it. And most these niggas be bluff, but bullshit ain't about nothing. Gotta ride with that weapon. Louis V when I'm stepping. Shoot the 3 like I'm stuffing. Outside, no matter the weapon. I'ma pull up and hit it. New free car Honda Civic. ARP is a midget. I got that bitch in the building. You know we tight like the Navy. I'm a project baby. I love the projects, baby, because the projects made. Ain't that the projects?
So you ain't no underground
in my
like
field.
you.
Brand new Mercedes.
This
When I'm
video
cruising,
was
I got
more-
plenty. We ain't got no food in the trunk, but we got plenty bows. I go up an Ava key of cocaine on any stove. Dirty nigga, shock up in that water. I'm a great white. Clear the block out if you ain't got it off the late night. Ride through the city and I got it, yeah, I stay tight. Stand up, make him use his feet like he like Mike. Night, night. I just hit the kitchen with a left, right. Hold on, who is this? Knocking at my fucking door. Trapping hard, run up a little 10, but I need 40 more. Dreezy with me, bro, they got that fan walking up the stairs. Wrong, but tell me God, cause now I lay me down to sleep. By my head in front of you, I pray the Lord my soul to keep. Sold my soul to the District of Columbia, the price was
Wow. Yeah, that was Glock Jones with Dada. This nigga said I sold my soul to Columbia District and the price was cheap. You wanna know what's fucked up and funny though? Is that I just got word not too long ago, as I'm looking at my motherfucking emails, that Mozzie, which is just got charged with, he's in the feds right now for gun charges. Jada Youngin was killed. Fuck. And I'm reacting to an artist named Glock Jones right now. Bro. The young artists, bro, like I said, man, y'all popping, you feel me? All the generation is popping, but it's like sometimes, bro, popping is just not, it's not meant to be, let me see, trended around and being used in the most unworthy way, unbeneficial way, like, for real. Damn. Jada Youngin, he never did shit to nobody, as far as I know. He always been out the way. Never seen Jada Youngin in the news until now. And Mozzie, that's a shocker, because it's like, nigga, you been in the industry all this fucking time, now you starting to, I don't know, bro, man. But Glock Jones, bro, he just gained another fan, man. Dope artist, man. I hope that you, one of them young ones, man, that stay out the way, bro, for real. Like, yeah, serious. Like, you said in this song, man, He said, I sold my soul to the District of Columbia and the price was cheap. That's the label, I believe, right? Let me know if I'm wrong. Below the comment and video, y'all know what it is. But other than that, man, you already know how the way this go. It's your only host, BZ995, Glock Jones with Dada on WC Radio. Peace.
To the top of the globe, till the whole world knows my name in the brightest light. Then I'll be alright. To the top of the lungs they scream, with a crowd so big I can see a thing, and I can't stop now. No, 'cause it's all I know. Trying to take it to the top of the globe. 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 Trying to take it to the top of the globe.
Before I forget to just mention, my goals are something that I'm trying to make achievements. I'm tired of dying out, life ain't nothing but pain. Every time I look at different nurse, I think of my name. My shit is BC, ain't nobody else like this. Come on, stop trying to check, you can't like this. I'm so